Several hours of overnight rain has left in its wake a lot of devastation here at Pamprom at Okai in the Greater Accra region. Large portions of a road completely destroyed by the marauding floodwaters, and I'm told at least 4 vehicles, completely submerged by the rains, were left abandoned here because their owners had to flee and occupy higher grounds. 2 tow vehicles have been here already to move affected vehicles. And then you can see in your shots a 3rd damaged vehicle. I've been speaking to owner of that vehicle. He's been telling me exactly how he escaped narrowly during the rains, only to return today to find this extent of destruction to his vehicle and of course to other vehicles in this enclave.
It's still about me, but many men come up and pack all. Maybe a bus I can send you fun. We don't know why you know, so I mean, you know, kind more pavement and also caca. We are the kind of call. My 300 good kind of my boss, a humble season. Still, I call a 10. It's a true baby. Light traffic light in one. Never who say, baby, I call the air could deep. And I'm seeing sooner the damage, and I'm a chocolate daddy. May daddy. And I'm a float traffic light, The chocolate traffic light, and I'm a dinner at the end of so. Within 2 hours. Since you look out for me, Froco Gina. Baby, I'm soon, baby, I'm Mujajina. And since you look out for me, Muse, can't have a son with my mouth.
Speaking with some of the residents who say the situation here when it comes to the floods and the rains gets worse by the day.
I had no casano, I did back when I had me say, Kaneshi was a man to idea, a drainumra, almost the ballano, a good quanum, and Pamprom Accra especially, almost tired pa. Way I see a BSc pay. By a timeless time, I know the Wawa Casepa fee. City light, sa Edibaha. Entino, a honey problem no dear, and your problem, Kitwa Sequano Mobaya. Common feeling ye man in Kosrokakra. Said the son Gatano Crown, say, Omutimi Biamuye, said the son bet me for me, and then for Quanimoa. Me face no baboy pa, a wabosoka, Nimpam Promoa. So no, a fuck quaning in a hard me pa. A go cry, man, cray, Tremua, me manua. Boy, you bear. 20 Ghana, and not 30 Ghana, not once actually, and son what me do work. I'm walk with mum. And she as a ban better my better than Sipa.
Many be matching come almost say, be I got a normal year in China, so a factor, and I saw me in them no more be quiet.
I know there no crap, I know there no crap. I have one over say a slow cacra. But so more in 10 miles so a baboy. If you send zoning in alpha one side, until I had the 2 son. The fee. Top war banyina no takradi station ni na fa enu na man ha yakase pa nto mbehwa ma ya beda o masipa.
This is the remains of the road. You can see the road has been destroyed completely. The bitumen, the surface area has been completely broken off, and it has caused some congestion along the stretch. The police are here. I've just seen the Greater Accra Regional Minister Henry Korte show up here. Excavators are leveling up what is left of a road, so reconstruction work, we understand, will commence so that there's not like a lot of gridlock around here for a very long time. Komla Adom, abossey, Okai, Accra.